Hello, good morning to all. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to just introduce myself and sharing my experience with the eVision. So, when I was new in a eVision, I joined an internship job module program in a eVision solution for the recruitment get job in the IT sector. So, before 3 months ago, I enrolled in eVision for the starting my career in IT sector. So that time I was totally unaware about the IT sectors and computers. So while I enroll in eVision, that time I learned a lot of things over there, because in a classroom and online training modules, there are some mentors in eVisions are very supportive. They teaching each and everything in detailed manner, so that it's helped me a lot to understand each and everything in a detail. So I would like to tell you that I am really very happy, because just because of a few days ago I am getting selected at Ahana System Solution Private Limited, Pune, with the package of 3.0 per annum. I'm really very happy that eVision is a helped me a lot in my this journey. Without eVision I cannot do anything in IT sector. Just because of eVision I am here, and I am selected in one of good organization. So thank you eVision, thank you very much.